With their 54 or 22 nozzle body sprays, Water Tile Ambient Rain overhead showering panels provide luxurious water delivery. These 21 by 21 inch lighted square ceiling panels include 4 body sprays that can be individually adjusted to target specific areas of your body. Additionally, integrated chromotherapy offers mood-enhancing colored light sequences to deliver a truly customized shower experience. Choose from an array of solid colors, or if you prefer, select one of the pre-programmed sequences that range from an invigorating bright color palette to softer, more soothing patterns. The Water Tile Ambient Rain overhead showering panel can be operated via the new DTV2 interface.